In this video, we're unboxing the Automotive Fuel Injector Bore Cleaning Kit. This is the product label. The Automotive Fuel Injector Bore Cleaning Kit paired with gloves. This tool is used for cleaning carbon buildup, oil contamination, fuel varnish, and corrosion around the areas. It helps prevent issues caused by improper cleaning, such as poor injector sealing, fuel leaks, binding during installation, and abnormal fuel atomization, engine misfires. Now, let's move on to the name and function of each tool. Quick release non-slip handle with magnetic feature. Flexible extension bar. The included small tool can rotate into this threaded hole. To lock the cleaning brush head. Quick release extension bar with magnetic feature. Various sizes of cotton swabs. Used for cleaning the injector body surface and performing final fine wiping, as well as absorbing fine carbon particles, debris, oil residue, and other contaminants. Multiple sizes of steel wire brushes used for cleaning the end face of the injector bore, sealing surface, stepped surface, and the edge of the cup opening. Clean the stubborn carbon deposits, aged varnish, and leftover sealant. After installing the injector, the O-rings can fully seal against the cylinder head surface, preventing fuel leaks and seal failure. Now, let us move on to the demonstration of this tool. After removing the fuel injector, select the appropriate size cleaning brush. Attach it to the handle. If the distance is not enough, we can extend, or use the flexional extension bar. Slide it on, then use the small tool to lock it. We can attach the handle directly, or use the extensions bar again. Choose as your preference. After the injector bore is clean, use a proper size cotton swab to wipe it down for final cleanup.